All right, I'm going to finish up the last of the equations for our review, solving three systems. I'm going to use the elimination method, and I'm going to combine the first and second equations. I'm going to combine the first and second equations and use elimination to, I'm going to get rid of the y. I can kind of see something going on. I can get rid of y with 1 and 3 and work with those. If I take 1 and 2, x plus y minus 2z equals 8. And 2 is 5x minus 3y plus z equals negative 6. If I multiply the first equation by 3, my y's will have opposite coefficients, and I'll be able to eliminate the y's from this. 3x plus 3y minus 6z equals 24. Then I'm going to bring my second equation over. So I've now just multiplied my first equation by 3, and that's going to help me eliminate y's because I have opposite coefficients on y's now. I'm going to work down. 3x and 5x is 8x. The y's go away. Minus 5z's equals 18. I've just produced equation number 4. Actually, I'm going to choose to put together equations 1 and 3 now to produce equation 5, because 1 and 3 I can see I can eliminate y's right away. This is, x plus y minus 2z equals 8. 3 is negative 2x minus y plus 4z equals negative 13. My y's are going to go away. I will produce the fifth equation, negative x plus 2z equals negative 5. So now I need to go and eliminate a variable by putting together equations 4 and 5. So I'm moving into my next step where I'm going to try to get down to one variable. I've eliminated the y. Now I'm going to use equations 4 and 5 and see what I can do to eliminate another variable and continue with solving. 4 is 8x minus 5z equals 18. 5 turned out to be negative x plus 2z equals negative 5. I'm thinking I'm just going to take this second equation and multiply it by 8 to get rid of the x's. And in doing that, then I'm going to produce the system, just recopy 4, 8x minus 5z equals 18, negative 8x plus 16z equals negative 40. I'm going to work down and eliminate my x's. Let me produce an equation that'll tell me what z is. 0, 11z, and 18 minus 40 is going to give me negative 22. So if I finish this off, I'm going to find out that z is equal to negative 2. I've got 1. Now, I've got z is equal to negative 2. Let me go use that z equals negative 2 up over with, let's see, how about equation 5? Nah, I don't like equation 5. It's got a negative out in front of z. It doesn't matter. Equation 5, negative x plus 2 times the z I found equals negative 5. Just because it's hard doesn't mean I can't do it. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Negative x is equal to negative 1. That's like negative 1x. So to get that out of there, divide both sides by negative 1 and find out that x is equal to 1. Getting closer. I'm going to go back up. I need my z. How about equation 2? 5 times the x minus 3y's plus z, which is negative 2, so minus 2 equals, this is the second equation, 5x minus 3y plus z, which is negative 2, is negative 6. 5 minus 3y minus 2 equals negative 6. I'm running out of room. 5 minus 2 is going to give me 3 minus 3y equals negative 6. If I take 3 away from both sides, let me just do this here. Minus 3, I wind up with negative 3y equals negative 9. Divide both sides by negative 3. Y is equal to 3. So my solution to this system is 1, x, y, z, 1, 3, negative 2.